This 2020 Lance Lance Lite 650 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Lance is 6 feet 0 inches in length and features external shower, refrigerator, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, water heater, awning, smoke detector, microwave, stovetop burner, air conditioning, and 22 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features front dinette, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Lance Lance Lite 650 is 1,700 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.